everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing one of the coolest superheroes ever, Iron Man. It's gonna be an easy step-by-step drawing, so come join us. All right everyone, so let's draw Iron Man. This one's gonna be super fun, and the first thing we're gonna do is, on the right side, we're just gonna draw a really long vertical line. And I left some space at the top and on the sides. So we're gonna do the same thing on the left side, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over, just make a little dot, just so I know where to stop for both sides. So it's the same distance or the same height. So there we have two vertical lines, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna make one curve to connect these 2 points. So there we have the top of his helmet, and then what we could also do is we could close off his helmet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make, from this point, we're gonna make a diagonal line that goes to the left, leaving some space in the middle. So I'm gonna turn my paper because it helps me. And from here, I'm gonna make one diagonal line, just like that. And then from here, I'm gonna do the same thing on the left. So from here, what we could do is we're gonna draw one horizontal line that's right in the middle, and then we could just finish connecting it. So from here, I'm gonna draw a horizontal line just like this. And I did it right in the middle of his whole head. And we could finish by connecting these diagonal lines to it. So there we have his whole mask. So from there we could do the details inside of his mask, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna make another vertical line, but this one's gonna be shorter, and we're gonna leave some space from the side of his helmet. So I'm gonna start right where this vertical line is, just a little bit lower. I'm gonna make a vertical line that's shorter, and I'm gonna copy that same design on this side. From here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw, from this point, we're gonna draw a diagonal line that goes to the top and to the left. So I'm gonna move my paper just a little bit to help me. I'm still leaving some space at the top. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the left, but this one's gonna go to the right. All right, so then from here, what we could do is we're gonna draw two other diagonal lines. I swear it's gonna be easy. So from here, we're gonna draw a diagonal line that goes to the left and it goes down towards his face. This diagonal line also comes down just a little bit more than the first one we did. And I'll do the same thing to the left side. And to connect these two sides, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make one curve to connect the points. From here, what we could do is to connect these 2 points, we'll also make one bigger curve. So this is the top part, and this is where his forehead is. And then from here, we could do where his eyes are gonna be. So what we could do is, from this point of the curve that we just made, we're gonna make a diagonal line that goes to the right, leaving just a tiny bit of space from his mask. Just like that, and then we'll do the same thing to the left. And then what we're gonna do is, we're gonna make a curve that goes into his face. This is gonna be his eye. And to finish his eye, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make one diagonal line that connects to his forehead. There we have the first eye. Looks super cool already. And then we're gonna do the same design on the left. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna leave some space in the middle. Ooh, there we go. There we have his eyes. They look so cool. From here, from this point, we could just make another line that connects to the side of his mask. This is just one small detail. We'll do it to the left as well. And then from here, we could do where his mouth's gonna go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave some space in between here, in between his eyes and his mouth. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a curve that goes down and it stops right where this horizontal line started. This curved line kind of looks like a slide. And we could do that same design on the left. These are almost his cheeks or his mouth area. And what we're gonna do is from here, from this point, we're gonna go up with a really tiny diagonal line that goes to the top and to the left. And we'll do the same thing on this side, just the opposite way. And we'll do one horizontal line to connect these points. We're gonna copy that same design at the bottom. A diagonal line that comes down this way. So if you look at it, it kind of looks like the top of a triangle, this design. And we'll do the same thing here. And we'll do one horizontal line to connect these points as well. So there we have his mouth. Look how cool that looks. Oh, I love Iron Man. He's my favorite. I think he's my favorite. He's the coolest. He comes up with the coolest ideas. So from here, we could do where his cheeks or his jaw is gonna be. And from this point where we made that thing that looks like the triangle, we're gonna make one diagonal line that goes to the side of his face, but it doesn't touch here. So we're gonna leave some space, just like that. And then from here, we're gonna come up and touch this curve that we made where his cheek is, with a vertical line, with a straight vertical line, just like that. And then right underneath that, where this horizontal line stopped, we'll copy that same design. So there we have that cool detail, and we're gonna copy that same design on the left side. One more detail in his mask is right above his eye and right in between this vertical line that we make, we're gonna make something that looks like the letter V, and it will connect to the forehead and to the side of his head, just like that. And then we'll copy that same thing on the left side. And there we finished his mask. So since we're not gonna draw his whole body, what I did want to do was draw his art, because that's the coolest thing and it gives him all his powers. So what we're gonna do is, right where his jaw finished, right on the horizontal lines at the ends, we're gonna make diagonal lines. So what we're gonna do is, from this point, I'm gonna make a diagonal line that goes to the right, just a little bit, just like that, and I'll copy the same design on the left, just like that. And then from here, what we could do is we're gonna make another diagonal line, but this one's gonna go to the bottom and to the left. And this one's shorter than the one we just made, so this one's gonna be tiny, just like that. And we'll copy the same thing on the left, just like that. And just to finish that off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make one curve like a hill, like a really small hill, to connect the 2 points. There we go. So what we could do too is we could do some or just a little part of his arms, and what we're gonna do is right in between where his jaw is, we're just gonna come here and we're gonna make a curve that goes down, and we're gonna go a little bit lower than this part of his chest, just like that. And we'll copy the same design on the left. And now guys, all we have left is his arc, which is the coolest part. So what we're gonna do is right in the middle of this, right in the middle of his chest, we're gonna draw one big circle. And then right in the middle of that circle, we're gonna draw one more, just smaller. And then just from these 2 points, from the diagonal lines, we're just gonna make one little curve like this that stops at the same height. So if I come over somewhere here, I'll make a little point, I'll just make a little curve like this. And I'll do the same thing to the left side. And there we have Iron Man, one of the coolest superheroes ever. So guys, what we could do right now is we could color him in, grab whatever crayons, whatever markers, whatever color pencils you have, and let's color him in. Alright guys, and there we have Iron Man. Look how cool and strong he looks. I don't know if you guys could tell, but I used like a lighter red on the outside, so you could see like the separation from his head, his body, and then a darker red for the rest of it. I feel like it makes it pop more, and I did the same thing for the yellow. I used 2 different yellows, but there we have Iron Man looking super strong and ready to save the world. So hopefully you guys found this easy. Hopefully you guys found it fun. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more cool Marvel characters. Thank you guys. Bye.